promises you made vanished, then made me cry.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Please my people, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, kindly do go and subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video and share it. And if you have anything to say about the video, kindly drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. Okay my people, I'm going to show you how I store and preserve my yam for a longer period of time. So I'm going to show you how to store and preserve your yam as long as you wish. Now I'm going to peel off the yam. So I'm going to cut it into a smaller pieces because I'm going to use it for porridge. And if you want to cook your yam as a normal cooking, you can just cut it to the size that you want, that you wish. So you can just cut it to the size. But me, I'm going to use mine for a porridge, maybe like next month or next month, because it's going to stay a longer period in my freezer. So you have to allow the yam to freeze. It will not get spoiled. Just leave it there. Anytime that you are going to use it, you can go there and take it. Just take the portion of the one that you want to cook. So I'm going to wash my yam. Please, before you tie your yam or before you store your yam, please make sure you wash it very well, because I wash mine like 4 to 5 times to remove the dirties. Please make sure you wash it very well. You can still use lime to wash your yam. You can just use lime, cover it for like 10 minutes before you cut it into a smaller pieces. But I'm going to wash mine at normal washing. I'm not going to use anything to wash it, so I just wash it. Now I'm going to cut it into a smaller pieces. You can see it, but if you just want to cut it like 2, no problem. Just cut the one that you want to store for yourself. That is not a big deal. Now I'm going to cut it into a smaller pieces, tie it inside the nylon. Then I'm going to freeze it for a longer period of time guys. So when you go back to your freezer, maybe like 2 to 3 months time, your yam will still be fresh and good as you want it. Okay my lovely people, let me leave you guys to watch this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
All the promises you made vanished, then made me cry every night again and again. Never knew it could hurt me this much. When you said you were gone, lost your touch. Ooh, no, I screamed to the night. Never wept this hard in a dim light. Emmanuel, why'd you walk away? You left my heart in disarray. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. Dreams of tomorrow faded to dust. Loved you so deeply, in you I trust. You never looked back once, did you know?